Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. When you get your iPhone 17, are you worried about switching from an Android phone to the iPhone 17, but don't want to lose your WhatsApp chat history? At the same time, you don't want to reset your phone. This video teaches you how to transfer your WhatsApp without resetting your phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Use Move to iOS. If you are using a brand new iPhone, migrating to iOS is a feasible option. Apple has specifically developed this application for individuals looking to transition from Android devices to the Apple ecosystem. However, if your phone has already been activated as soon as you got it, resetting the phone can be quite troublesome. At this point, we can use iCareFone transfer to transfer WhatsApp data, which is a method that does not require resetting the phone, is simple and efficient, and will not result in any data loss. Method 2. Use iCareFone transfer. This method does not require an iPhone reset. I will introduce a professional WhatsApp data transfer tool for transferring between iPhone and Android. If you don't want to reset your iPhone, try iCareFone transfer. It supports transferring WhatsApp app data between different devices and operating systems, meeting various use cases and helping you efficiently transfer WhatsApp data without data loss. First, open iCareFone transfer and select WhatsApp. Then connect both your Android and iPhone to your computer using data cables. Then select the correct source and destination devices and click the transfer button. Typically, the software will prompt you to enable USB debugging. Simply open your Android phone settings, find About Phone, find Software Information, and quickly tap build number 7 times to enable developer mode. Then open developer options, find USB debugging and enable it. Return to iCareFone transfer and follow the instructions to back up your Android data. Open WhatsApp, open Settings, select Chats, tap Chats, Backup, and scroll down to End-to-End Encryption Backup. Generate your 64-digit key. Take a photo or screenshot and save it. After saving, follow the instructions to complete the setup. After completing the setup, return to your computer and continue following the instructions. Enter your saved 64-digit key. Then select the data you want to transfer and tap Continue. Now you need to turn off Find My iPhone. On your iPhone, follow the prompts on your phone to turn off Find My iPhone. iCareFone will now proceed with the transfer. Your iPhone will restart and the transfer will be complete. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. All your data has been transferred. Isn't that efficient and easy? The above method should be able to solve the problem you are encountering. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.